In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use calendar blocks on Squarespace. This is a great way to keep your website visitors informed about upcoming events directly from your site. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Squarespace. You'll see the homepage waiting for you. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log into your account. It's important to be logged in to gain access to all the editing features you need to customize your website. Now that you're on your homepage, look for your profile. You'll typically find this in the upper right corner. Click on it, and it will display all the websites you've been working on. From that list, choose the website where you want to add the calendar block by clicking on its name. Once you have your website open, locate the Edit button, which allows you to make changes to your site. Give it a click, and now you'll be viewing your website in the editing mode. This is where you can really get creative and customize the layout and content to fit your needs. Next, find the Add section button. It's usually quite prominent, often located at the top of the editing interface. Click on it, and from the options that pop up, choose Add Blank Section. This creates a fresh canvas on your web page where you can introduce new features like the calendar block. With your blank section ready, the next step is to click Add Block. This action will present a menu with various block options that you can include in your section. Search for the calendar block and select it. This feature allows you to display all upcoming events in a structured, easy-to-read format. Once you've selected the calendar block, you'll need to drag it and drop it onto the blank section you just added. It's as simple as clicking on the block and moving it to the desired spot. You'll want to consider where it will be most visible and useful to your audience, often somewhere towards the top where it's immediately noticeable. And now, just like that, your calendar will appear in your section. You can see the calendar with all of its features, ready for you to input events. It'll display any events you choose to add, making it a fantastic tool for keeping your website visitors up to date on everything happening. Finally, you've done all the hard work, so make sure you click Save to lock in your changes. This ensures that everything you've added so far is preserved and properly displayed to your viewers. Congratulations, you've successfully added a calendar block to your Squarespace website, and now your visitors can stay in the loop with all your upcoming events.